The night is yours alone.
Oi! Stop it! You're gonna get arrested. Good.
Don't let your...
You really have no shame, do you? Closing the business, crying by her bedside, acting like the grieving widower. You're disgusting.
I am grieving. Maybe I could have saved her.
Sally St. Clair? What? Okay, right, well, thanks for letting me know. That was the police. The boiler was damaged. Someone's responsible for that explosion.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello? Oh, hi, Farah. No word on Yasmin yet.
Oh, look, bro, I know you're upset, but I am too, you know. I sort of asked Lily to marry me yesterday and she thought it was some sort of a joke.
Are you really trying to compare?
No, I mean, I don't know what to say.
Nita's dead, and it's all my fault.
But it's not your fault, is it? I ain't gonna let you get locked up.
Oi, give it back!
You're not getting it!
Oi, give it back!
Prince? Everything okay?
Yes, Mrs. Hutchinson. See? What has she caught you? You have to stop this right now.
I don't know what else to do. I need to feel like she's still here.
Oh, come on, Hannah.
Stop following me! You can't fix this. Go and be with Lily while you still have the chance.
I just want to know what's going on. The operation finished hours ago. She should have woken up by now. When was the last time you checked her obs? Do you know what? I'll do it myself.
Okay, you know when you moan about other patients' families taking out their stress on your staff?
This is different. I'm a doctor. I just want to know if my baby girl's going to be okay. She went into heart failure, Sami. We nearly lost her. Is she...
Yasmin is off the ventilator and she's starting to come round.
Thank you. Thank you.
Love of my life died in that explosion. So if you've got evidence, I want to know what it is. I want justice.
Jack? Jack? You okay? So sorry about Frank.
My wedding ring. My wedding ring is in here somewhere. I've got to find it.
Jack, if it is, you know...
No! No! I made a vow to Frankie. I would wear it for the rest of my life. I can't let her down. I can't let her down.
Jack, I really think we should go back. Jack, this place isn't safe. And that police friend of yours said 10 minutes max.
Then you go. Mike. I found it. HM. That's not mine.
Hansel McQueen. He must have been in it.
Why?
Well, the police said the boiler was damaged, right? And that boy had a ton of reasons to be angry that day. He could have caused that explosion.
Where's my mum?
Can you feel it? Her heart. Needs his heart. They let her die for you. How can they just do that? Decide who gets to live.
Mum! Mum!
You're awake.
Is it Miss Cott's heart? Is she dead?
Hi! Oh, you! Is it true? You caused the explosion?
No.
I was trapped in that school when I should have been by Frankie's side, protecting her like I promised. If I'd been there, maybe she'd still be alive. I could have saved her. For 12 years, Frankie's been right there. And now she's not, and she never will be again. And I didn't get to say goodbye to her because of you. The boiler was damaged, wasn't it? I found this in the wreckage.
It wasn't me. I was with Mrs. St. Clair. Nita was wearing it.
Do you have any idea what it feels like to lose the person? The only person that makes you feel okay? Yes. No, you don't. You've got no idea what it feels like to love someone, to really love someone.
I do! Nita was everything. Everything I thought about, everything I cared about, and I wish it was me, all right? I wish I could take her place, that she could still be here. And you can't tell me that's not love, because it is. She was so good and so kind, but everyone thought she was some sort of predator. And it's my fault. No one is going to remember how amazing she was because of me. Because she fell in love with me.
I'm sorry, son. I'm sorry. I am so sorry.
I'm so sorry about you, Mrs. I'm sorry. What are we supposed to do now?
Miss Cord chose to join a donor list so she could help people like you.
She was nice. Way nicer than me. What if my body rejects her heart because it's too good for me?
Sweetheart, it doesn't work that way. We've always known rejection is a possibility, but whatever happens, it'll have nothing to do with whose heart it is or how good you are. Try and think of it like she's giving you a really beautiful, life-changing gift.
Let's not get carried away. She gave her an internal organ, not a Louis Vuitton handbag.
Ignore him.
Would a Louis Vuitton bag cheer you up? Because I will get you one.
Sami,
Are you serious?
your sister's trying to come to terms with something very emotionally complex.
And it's probably not going to happen overnight, so let's give her a break, eh? Look, all this serious stuff can start tomorrow, but for now, we battle.
What? I've just had a major operation and you're still going to make me do board game night?
You'd have had to have more than a heart transplant to get out of family tradition. Right, Farah and Imran are on their way, so you've got about 10 minutes to memorise the answers before they get here. There we go.
Well, whoever vandalised that boiler.
It's only a matter of time till they get caught. There is no way the person responsible for that explosion got away unscathed.